Hi
guys,
it's
so
Mariah.
it's Shaneria. So today we're gonna be telling you guys about our vision board. So today I'm gonna read. I'm gonna just read mine that I already cut out. I got this. It says her spirit is humble, but she's also not surprised by her achievements. Thus far, the star literally asked for this, putting pen to paper and making her vision plain. Now, guys, it sounds like Habakkuk, chapter 2, verse 2. She still missed thing.
Did you?
Clock it.
Okay.
Then hold on. Then I want to go to Connecticut College, so I got this, and this, and then I want to do what is it called again?
Vision board. Oh, meteorologist. Meteorologist.
And I got this for the lightning, and then now there's one.
Okay, so I want to do food.
That's seafood.
That
look nasty with that sauce, child.
I'm gonna make some of these things,
Who can I call?
You can tell us your name, probably. Just your first name.
My name is Mariah, and my vision board is going to be, I want to be a nurse, a track star, and maybe a basketball player, and make food.
Oh, and I'm doing track, guys.
Tamisha next.
Okay, so my name is Tanisha. My vision board is gonna be of me. I like cooking, so I want to go to culinary school. And this is some of the things I might cook. It's only two things. This is I don't know what this is. This is kind of like a cake. I think they call me. But
Okay, I want to go to culinary school to do lashes and hair.
And this whatever this is, a lobster roll.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
And when we
Nisha,
turn
you're
18, we'll do a
messy.
facial reveal. Bye.
Nisha, you're
Yeah.
messy. She messy. Read
Can I
it.
hang up? Did I hang up on them?
Very messy.
Did you